Yo, what's up, YouTube? Right here looking at a little bit of stock market analysis. We're looking at play DAVE&BUSTERS. Let's see. The reason I'm looking at this one is because they had earnings. Wanted to see what they beat earnings by a lot. And on the cooldowns, I seen they were in aftermarket. They were like 37. They were 37, I believe. I'll look that up right now in a minute. All right. So they were at 37 aftermarket. Let's see. Which one is it? Oh well. I was trying to look at the little details about it. This thing right here. Alright. 36.12 was the high. Market closed. My phone at my phone. Yo, I would look at this and see right here. It bounced off of that 382. It came up. They came down from that 382. So that would have been a good time to buy. Let's see what they are after hours. Sorry, bear with me. 37.75 after hours. So you could say about right here. Fill in that gap. Not yet, not quite. I don't know, they might have. I don't know what the history was after hours. Is that even a gap? Yep. Barely. Right there, 37.92. Alright, so watch that area. If it came up to 37.75 and if it didn't keep going up, watch it going up to this area and coming back down, because I'll do a analysis on the SPY, but I think the SPY might come down personally. You know, I don't know what y'all think. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Y'all think SPY's gonna come down? Y'all think it's gonna keep going up? Think I already hit the bottom, or you think got some ways to come down? All right, see, it came to try to test this 200, but it didn't. It didn't close on top of it. She came under it, but it's actually after hours on top of it. So let's see. Might probably finish filling this gap in the morning and come back down, something like it's already right here. Boom, boom, and then boom. It ain't gonna shoot it that fast, you know. This might actually be to like next week. Next week, see what they had for earnings. See what happened. That's what I'm expecting. But it might keep coming down to. It's not a gap. It's not a gap, but we got a double bottom. You know, those are my two scenarios for the, if we come down, wait till we get to the double bottom. But I don't think it is. I think it's going to stay going up because that 382 hit real nicely. That's my thought on DAVE&BUSTERS. Throw one more fib in here for you. If we're on the way up, that means we can use this fib to see where we're going to stop at. Almost goes to that gap. Yeah, I think we're going to fill the gap just coming up naturally, regardless. with or without that gap fill. But if you see a stop right here, watch out for that reversal back down after we fill in that gap. If the SPY is coming down and S&P is coming down, QQ is coming down, everything coming down, make sure as soon as you fill in that gap at that 786, oh, excuse me, I'm getting a little tired. Probably gonna call it an early night today. Probably do that 2, 3 more, maybe. All right, so yeah, do that gap and come back down. Yeah, that's my suggestions. And if we do fill in that gap and come up and we do break 38, look for 40. So 38.84. If we close in if we do that, I would get a $39 call and then stop loss right here on the low, or wait for 39 to actually hit and go. And then first profit take would be 39.50 and then 40.50. 40.61 if you want to try to hit it on the money before it comes back down. Yeah, probably that 0.5 area. Yeah. Take profit 3. If you leave a runner, you got it long enough to come back and go into that 50 area. That's plans for play. If I do decide to play. All right, like and subscribe down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Please like the video. It's much appreciated. And join the Discord. Y'all have a great day.